BMW Group is set to unveil a physical model of the new MINI Urbanaut. The model will be given its world premiere on the 1st of July 2021 at the DLD Summer conference in Munich. Opening the side door and folding up the windscreen creates a welcoming scene that blurs the boundaries between the outside and inside. The central circular instrument becomes a media control center. An animation of graphic equalizers, moving with the music, is projected onto surfaces of the front, rear, wheels and loop above the rear seat bench, creating a pleasant club atmosphere. If those on board so desire, the car could even begin to resemble a boombox. And then there is the fourth option, the customizable My Moment, which provides users with further scope for tailoring the design of the vehicle to their needs and desires. The car becomes a kind of retreat, a haven where you can relax or work with full concentration. While the rear seat bench invites various seating and lying positions, the backlit loop above it takes on an appearance inspired by a green forest canopy and can also be dimmed.
In the central area, the circular instrument folds down to become a table lamp, eliminating displays or switches that might remind the customer of their automotive surroundings. When the customer wants to drive themselves, a tap of a finger on the MINI logo brings out the steering wheel and pedals. And the user interface on the central circular instrument also adapts its visuals. Alongside an animation of the route, additional journey information, such as visitor attractions and arrival time, is displayed here for those on board.
Let go of your pain, take my hand, slowly begin, rise above the ashes, I'm rushing, dodging all the fear, passes off my head, keep my vision clear.